Hello, we are team number 3, and we're going to talk about the future of Norson and the food industry. The mission of Norson is to be a company in continuous growth, a leader in production, process, and commercialization of high quality based on pork and other related meat products sustainably, competing in a global market with solutions that meet the expectation of our customers. And the vision is produce pigs with the highest quality, safety, and health standards, complying responsibly with our clients, community, workers, and partners at a competitive cost worldwide. The driving forces that we thought that will be very important by 2030 are globalization, because we think that the market will grow even more in the future. Legal regulations, because of the different rules that will apply in food industry. New actors in value chain, because we think more people will get involved in this industry. And accessibility for the customers when buying products.
Our first scenario is implement vegan products. The company adopts new technologies for greater productivity and efficiency, such as artificial intelligence, adding it to its value proposition. However, the client does not adapt to this and presents resistance, so he prefers to avoid the situation by opting for the competition. The strategy is to implement an artificial intelligence system within the organization for greater productivity towards personalized customer service. Thus, it is possible to implement new innovations in the industry while maintaining a good relationship with the consumer. The challenges, it will be technologic adaptation, getting to new customers, collaboration, financial investment, and change resistance. The following strategic map is to implement vegan products. In learning and growth, it will impact in human capital, as maintaining a healthy working environment recognized among the best companies to work, great places to work. Then in international process, the innovation process will innovate the product creation process and add the product line of vegan products. In image and reputation, to show interest in the new trend of consumption of society. And last, increase revenue. It will increase company revenue due to the acceptance of the new product line. The second scenario is online sales. The market is changing. Trends are focused on technology, so it will be easy to align a strategy to meet new customer needs. The strategy, it will be implement a personalized service using the reinventing shopping megatrend, where through an app or website, the customer can make the desired purchases, paying online and receiving the products to their doorstep. The challenges will be adapting to new environments, customer requirements, and selling in a remote way. The strategic map will impact in learning and growth, the organization capital, as hire people who have computer skills to help create the page and with the same servers to avoid problems. Then innovation process, make an online store on the existing website so that customer can see the company products. In product service attributes, the service offered to the customer will make the Norson shopping experience faster and easier. In increased revenue financial, the sales will increase due to the different forms of purchases offered to customers.
Then in the drive-through experience, the market is resistant to change in the industry, while the implementation of existing trends with a technological approach does not make a big difference. So the company must seek to develop a new innovation strategy in another area. And the strategy is hire specialized personnel to carry out constant market research in the market. In this way, you can analyze customer behavior and offer exactly what you are looking for, improving your shopping experience with the company. And the challenges is developing strategies, implementing changes, and following trends. And in the strategic map, first, information capital. As such, the information and prestige that Norson has creates a solid basis for the creation of new variants and business land. Then in the innovation process, by creating a drive-through for certain Norson branches, it is innovating within the sales process of the company and improving the customer experience. Then in customer relationship as a result of generating rewarding experience with a customer. It will create a more solid customer base and will above all attract new potential customers to the brand. And last, improving cost and productivity. With more sales and in a new and faster way, product cost will fall as more will begin to the products. Will also improve the productivity of employees in the company.
The next scenario is based on transparency levels, where the market begins to act differently based on new interests in line with trends. The strategy is based on the implementation of technology in conjunction with social trends, such as the integration of QR codes in Norson products, and thus being able to observe the process by passing the product. In this way, transparency in the process is being promoted. The possible challenges are understanding the market, market acceptance, and implementation of the QR codes. The strategic map makes it possible to observe the key points for the implementation. In informational capital, it seeks to inform through the levels, the times, and process to which the products are subject. In innovation process, it expects that the shopping experience and the life management of the products will be improved. In customer relationship, it's hoped to create a stronger customer base and attract new potential customers. And finally, improving cost and productivity, it's increased sales and transparency of the brand are expected, thanks to the fact that the products will contain the expiration time, travel time, percentage of quality, and specification of process. The balanced scorecard is presented below, an indispensable tool for monitoring strategies since it's possible to identify progress through and monitor the results of this in the most important areas such as finance, internal process, decline, learning, and growth. Regarding the finance area, our main objectives on which we base the KPIs were increasing revenues through new channels and products, as well as making costs more efficient through productivity. The main KPIs were rotation and conversion rate, total income, best-selling products in new stores, monthly production costs, and monthly sales of the new product line. And next to it, it's possible to observe the score according to the weight of the indicator, which makes a better analysis possible considering the use of all the strategies within this area. On the other hand, in the area of internal process, the objectives are to innovate products and the purchasing process, and also to implement custom manage. The KPIs are market acceptance, purchase service time, customer service, staff satisfaction, and monthly online sales and by branch.
By the other part of the balance scorecard, we can see that now that customers are seeking to achieve a greater consumer interest in the new product lines. And also they are looking forward to improve the experience that they are having in the Norson stores. Also, they are looking for more ways to be more accessible to buy the products that Norson gives them. And also the KPIs that we are going to use to attract new customers are retention rate, customer experience, units sold from the new product line, and also customer support. With these KPIs, we are going to do the adjustments that they need to happen in order to Norson to have a successful new product line. Also, in the area of learning and growth, the main objectives are to maintain a good work of environment and also to promote certain skills development. And we also are looking forward to employees to give them the recognition that they need to have. So for this, we're going to use the KPIs of annual talent retention, employee satisfaction, customer support, training and qualification, and also the monthly labor productivity. All the KPIs that we mentioned, Paulina and I, are going to be used to Norson to be a better company, and also to the company to be able to get into the future and also the new ways of doing things. And as a conclusion, we can say that Norson is a top-tier company in the pork industry. They have used their strength in the correct way, and that's something very important from them. But nowadays, the market is looking forward into going into new ways of doing things, new products, and this means that it's time to Norson to change. And also, they need to start implementing new processes in order to Norson to continue being a top-tier company. Thank you for your attention, and that's all by team number 3.